we're going to do a confidence interval with the percentage difference of the amount of kids who prefer chocolate to the amount of adults who like chocolate. So, 37 out of 100 kids, 42 out of 200 adults. So, our populations would be adults and children, or kids should have been first, but it really doesn't matter. The parameters, since this time we're doing proportions, P of K equals percent or proportion of kids who like chocolate P of A would be the percentage of adults who like chocolate. Alright, so SRS is stated. Oh, I forgot to mention that we have a 90% two sample proportion confidence interval. Alright, so sorry I forgot that. SRS is stated for both populations. Independence. 100 times 10 is 1,000, which is less than the total pop. 200 for less than total. We should do this less than the total number of children. 200 times 10 equals 2,000, which is less than the total number of adults. For normality, the proportion of kids was equal to, 37 out of 100. Which equals 0.37, and the proportion of adults was 42 out of 200, which equals 0.21. And these are both p hats. So n times p hat is 100 times 0.37, which is 37. And 100 times 1 minus 0.37 is 63. And these are both bigger than 10. And that was for the kids. For the adults, 200 times 0.21 equaled 42. And 200 times 1 minus 0.21 turns out to be 158, which are both bigger than 10 again. So both of the populations are normal. So let's go to the math. So we got 0.37 for the kids, 0.21, let me make sure I got that, yep, plus or minus z star, which is going to be 1.64 source, so we got p hat kids minus p hat adults plus or minus z star, and then in here we're going to have 0.37 times 0.63 over 100 plus 0.21 times 0.79 over 200. So Z star, this was PK times 1 minus PK over NK plus P adult 1 minus P adult divided by N adult. Okay, on the low end I got 0.067, and on the high end I got 0.252. I am 90% confident that the percentage of kids who like chocolate is between 6.7 and 25.2% higher than the percent of adults who like chocolate. And that is 1 2 sample proportion confidence interval. The next one we will do is a test.